Hey there, it's Tim. I'm about to do a paint over this guy. This is called Mel by Moonlight. I have no idea what I'm going to do. There's no plan here. We're just going to start painting into this guy and see what happens. Perhaps he'll remain somewhat the same. Perhaps he'll become totally different. Who knows? Not me. I don't know. And if I don't know, you don't know, right? Okay. So we'll speed this up here and you can watch what happens. Method spray cleaner, the secret sauce. Crispy rags, the other secret in my painting. Crispy rags. Mel by Moonlight has become Mel in a snowstorm, apparently. Okay, hey, next day, coming back to finish this thing up. Kind of looks like a friend of ours, a photographer, Rick Dublin. You know Rick? What do you think? Does that look like Rick? Kind of. Okay, so I'm calling this Saint Rick, and to achieve his sainthood, I'm going to put one of those holy halos on his head. So we'll do that with a little bit of this paint. And because he is Saint Rick, or Saint Richard of Dublin, what color might we make the background? this little patina on here. Get a little gold look to it. I'm going to use my really nasty, crapped out rag here because it'll put these little scratches in it. Get this looking like it's been around the block a few times. As St. Rick of Dublin has also been around the block a few times. Okay. I think you've seen enough here. Well, I'm going to keep putzing on this, and I'll post the final thing at the end, and we'll see what you think of it. And, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see other paintings that I do, and some instructional stuff, some paint by number, which is what I call painting to live music. Get it? Paint by number, musical number. So fun. Okay. Well, I'm going to keep going here. You pour yourself a beer or a cup of coffee or something, and I'll post this when I get done. Thanks for joining me. Ciao.
Brought to you by funartstudio.com, fun art for home and business, and by a Major Chubb from the Grant Foundation.